How to use LG TV without remote. So the key thing is to look underneath the LG TV, the logo at the middle bottom part here, where you see that button, the power button. That's what you're going to want to use. If you press it once when it's turned off, it will turn on like so. Then there's a few different things you can do with the button down here. You can kind of like change channel, you can change source, you can also change the volume. So how you're going to do that is by pressing and holding it. So for about 3 to 5 seconds is going to be the key to be able to bring up the menu like this one here. So if you want to press it, it's going to bring up the menu. Press and hold, it's going to be the TV. So go ahead and do that down here. It will feel a lot easier after a few goes. It's a bit weird to feel, but then you'll see here it pop up and you've got all the different options here. When you press and hold, it'll be okay. When you press it once, it will move. So you can go ahead and do whatever you want with that. If you press and move, it will go to the left and the right. Then just press and hold it to use whichever one it is, whether it's the program, volume, or the source. It's all done within there. Leave a like on the video if it helped and subscribe for more helpful videos.